Good morning, second grade. Miss Kaysen here doing your number talk for today. So we're going to look at some money this morning. So if you look on my screen right now, you see that I have a little bit of my money up here. And we're just going to first of all count this money and make sure that we know what the value of each dollar and coin is. So if you look, first of all, we have a $1 bill, which just represents $1. And then we have some coins down here as well. So what I want you to do is I want you to pause the video for just a second, and I want you to count these coins, and I want you to see how much they are to you, and then I want you to restart the video, and we'll see if we got the same thing. So go ahead and pause the video and count these coins. Okay, so hopefully you were able to count those coins. You were able to pause the video and count how many. So let's count them together. So we have $1, and then we have quarters. And actually over here, it gave you what the value of that was, so you could kind of check yourself. So we have a quarter, which is 25 cents. We have 25 and 25, which is 50. So we have $1.50. And I'm going to kind of move them. If these were coins in my hand, I'd move them so that I would know what I was counting. So then I have some dimes. Dimes are worth how much? 10 cents. That's right. So we're up to $1.50. So let's count by 10, starting at 150, 160, 170, 180, 190. So now we have some nickels, and nickels are worth 5 cents. That's right. So we're up to 190. We have 195. What comes after 195? If I'm counting it by fives and I'm at 195, what's that going to be next? $2. That's right. And that's kind of hard going from 195 to $2. Let's see if I can write that so you can see. So we go from $1.95. Very hard to write with this. And then if we go up 5 cents, we're going to go up to $2, adding that 5 cents. So it's almost kind of like you can see that as 195, because it's the same as 195 pennies, and it goes up to 200. Okay, so we're at $2. We have another nickel. Let me see if I can get back out of this. We have another nickel, 205, 26, 207, 208, 209. So the amount of money that you should have gotten for this, the amount of money that you should have gotten is $2.09. Is that what you got? Okay, great job. So now what I want you to do is we're going to look at I'm trying to move my picture around. We're going to look at two different pieces of money, two different sections of money, and I want you to now compare them. So here's what I want you to do again. I want you to pause the video again, and I want you to count each section. So this is one person's money. This is another person's money. And I want you to count each group of money, and you're probably going to need a piece of paper and pencil to write on. So you're going to write down how much each group of money has, and then you're going to write a statement to compare. So you're going to tell me this side of money, how much is greater than, less than, or equal to this side of the money. So go ahead, pause the video, and do that. Okay, hopefully you've had a chance to count the money and write a comparison statement. So I hope you have your piece of paper beside you, because we're going to now see what you did. So if we look over here, I see a $1 bill and a $2 bill. I see 2 quarters. So this is $2. 2 quarters is going to be 50 cents. Another dime is 60, so $2.60. A nickel is $2.65. And then one more penny is going to be $2.66. So we're going to write, I'm not sure why there's still a 4 there. We're going to write $2. And what did we say? I already forgot. 66. Is that what we said? $2.66. We've got 50, 60, 65, 66. Okay. Let's look over here at this side. So we have $2. We have 1 dime, 2 dimes, 3 dimes. So that's 10, 20, 30. Then we have 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. So we now have $2.48. Now my picture's right in the way, but if we have $2.66 and $2.48, how would I write my sentence? $2.66 is greater than $2.48. Very good. So what I want you to do now is I want you, when your parents are free, I want you to ask them if there's any change or money that's in their wallet or sitting around that you can borrow just for math. Don't ask them for money. You don't need to keep the money. But ask them if you can borrow some money. Make 2 piles of just some coins. Add $1 in there. Don't make it big. I wouldn't make it huge unless you want to challenge yourself. Make 2 piles of money. Count each pile of money. And then I want you to write your number sentence to be able to show what you're doing on your own. And I want you to share that with somebody. See if you can do your own number sentence to make sure that you can count that money. Hope you enjoyed your number talk today. See you guys tomorrow.